In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify files with Claude. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can start improving your documents right away. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is just the quickest way to get where we're going, and it ensures you land on the official site. In the search bar, type Claude AI. Press enter, and you should see the official Claude result at the top. Click that link to open Claude's website. If this is your first time visiting, the interface is clean and straightforward, and you'll be taken to a new chat page where you can interact with the assistant. Once the page is open, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to working with files. Click the plus sign to upload a file from your computer. You can choose a document like a PDF, a Word file, or a text file, whatever you want Claude to improve. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload completely before moving on. A quick tip here: make sure your file name is clear and your content is final enough that you want it revised, not still in draft fragments. That helps Claude produce a clean, coherent result. After your file is attached, it's time to write your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want. For example, you can say, "Improve the writing in this file. Make it clearer, more professional, and better structured." Keep the same ideas. This tells Claude exactly how to approach your document. If tone matters, you can mention it, such as formal, friendly, or concise. And if there are sections you want left untouched, you can note that right in the prompt. The more precise your instructions, the better the output. With your file uploaded and your prompt ready, click Submit. Claude will read your document and generate an improved version based on your instructions. This usually takes just a moment. When the result appears, scan through the changes and pay attention to clarity, structure, and consistency with your original message. You should see cleaner phrasing, smoother transitions, and a more professional tone while maintaining the same core ideas. That's it. Google to find Claude. Open the site, upload with the plus icon, write a clear prompt, and submit. Follow these steps whenever you need to polish a report, proposal, article, or any document that needs to sound sharper and more organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your files with Claude.